Alright, Grace, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Yay.
By my calculations, you will have 15 minutes before I cease to be. So I'd appreciate it if you could figure out who the aliens are and then push the button.
Okay.
You will be our first captain.
Oh.
Sure, let's choose the writing pod.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Welcome
What
to
should I do?
the writing pod. You will be given a fill-in-the-blank prompt. Answer honestly, because it will be scrutinized. The alien virus will allow the intruders to get something similar, but not quite right. When the correct prompt is revealed, it will be up to you to determine if any seem odd.
Okay.
As time winds down, I'll do my best to send the aliens some real stinkers. It's the least I can do. And the prompt for humans was... The worst song to get stuck in your head is... Let's see what they came up with. Do any of those answers seem
Wait a
suspicious?
minute.
Look for any written answer that doesn't seem quite right. And don't forget to hit
one
that
looks more
suspicion button.
Hang on.
Talk to each other and
The
find the
word?
truth. But
Oh,
remember,
God.
two among you are aliens and will be lying.
No.
Oh god.
What?
Alright, do I just push the button now or no?
I think pushing the button is...
Oh, okay, so we all need
Hey
to
everyone,
unanimously
if a
vote.
player seems to be taking way too long to move on,
you
you can tap the hurry up button to speed up the timer.
It's not
We're on the
a
clock here,
terrible
people, so
song.
let's keep it going.
Hurry up.
But neither is Who Let the Dogs Out.
What's happening?
To get stuck in your head, yeah. How is that a worse song to get...
Because it never ends, Val. It keeps going.
Long live. Viva la
You're
Viva
the
la song.
freaking alien. Don't try to trick me.
Okay, Val, if I'm an alien, I will buy you 20,000 riot skins.
Okay, next
I can-
captain,
oh.
you're in
AJ, please
charge.
be the alien.
Okay, let's get it.
You can probe people.
Uh,
Don't know
Welcome to the
Uh,
deliberation deck. Humans will be given a difficult decision and must choose
oh,
which
you can see
answer
their
seems
screen.
appropriate
Oh,
to
that's so
them.
cool.
Aliens
What?
will see no dilemma and must choose their answers blindly. When the crew sees the full statement, aliens may have to justify their random selection or face suspicion.
Oh, I'm excited for this one.
Let's see what these
Me
players
too.
choose. If they're an alien, and here's what humans saw. A woman asks you to watch her purse while
didn't
she
see
goes to
that?
the restroom. You
We'll
would.
find out.
And go.
Oh.
Now
Huh?
you have to decide who's an alien, or just makes terrible life decisions.
Okay, I don't think...
I want to choose both of you.
I don't
That is
think...
pretty
what should I do?
suspicious.
Why would you refuse? Oh, actually,
Okay, if some random chick asks you to look for her after her bag,
I would
Well,
leave
she
too.
goes
to Yeah.
I'd take it with
you don't
me.
know.
Take a
Yeah,
picture.
it'll be like a bomb or
I'll take it
something.
with
Whoa, hang on, wait a minute.
What the heck?
We're on the clock here,
What
people,
is
so
in-
let's keep it
What
going.
is it? Church or something? Should I keep on voting? Why would you refuse and leave? I mean, yeah, that's...
It's suspicious.
Uh-oh. It seems I've underestimated the alien
suspicious.
virus's capabilities. Aliens now have the ability to hack the prompts.
Oh.
What?
When looking at their probe screen,
Cool.
an alien can select any human and secretly give them the alien prompt. To make things worse, aliens can help other aliens by secretly giving them a human prompt.
Ooh.
I hope you got all of that
Wow.
because there's no way I'm repeating it. Okay,
God.
next
Okay.
captain, you're in charge.
That's scary.
Oh,
Let me-
Tyler says, wait, she hasn't
Oh,
been
it's
tested yet.
me. Oh.
Okay.
Ooh.
Good lord. I love
Ooh.
Ooh, nice.
Ooh.
Oh, nice.
Oh, they have
looks
a
like a bar.
theremin. Again?
Oh.
See that
Oh.
constellation? That's called Zeus's bow.
Alright.
Okay, okay.
Welcome to the Opinion Hold, a place to hang out
Mixing it up
and let
this
your
time.
opinions fly. Each participant
Hope
will
the
be
aliens
presented with a
don't
bold statement.
have
You will
hacked
then
my
provide
thing.
your level of agreement or
Oh, dear.
disagreement. Aliens, however, will be given a completely different statement. When the crew sees the full opinion, aliens may have to justify an outlandish position.
Oh dear.
Let's see what these players have to say. If they're an alien, their answer might be... And the
Not
human
bad.
prompt was... Nuts have no place in a brownie.
Who said that?
And
Oh,
discuss.
Oh,
So
Look
I
for
think
someone
this
answering
actually
out of
makes sense
character,
though,
or
because
just
you
start
know,
yelling at each
in a
other.
brownie you want that
And don't
nice
forget about those alien
cake-like
hacks. A smart
How?
alien
fudgy
could make
texture.
someone look
How?
suspicious by
But
flipping
then
their
sometimes you
prompt.
could have like a
don't
little bit
think
of
they
almond
belong.
or...
I got a different prompt.
No.
You got a different prompt?
Yeah, it was like, coconuts, one like
Wait, doesn't that mean
ice
you're the
cream or
alien?
something. I
Yeah.
got. I am not an alien.
Wow. No, no.
oh.
No. I think I know.
We're
That
on the
means
clock
there's an
here,
alien.
so let's keep it going.
Yeah.
I know.
Uh-oh.
You know.
Because I think we'll see if there were any hacks. Maybe.
Oh.
Will
Maybe.
we?
Oh,
Or
Because
did
we
you
know
get
we
the
know there are
human
4 in
hack
I'm
total.
gonna vote both.
because you're an alien? Hmm?
What? It's right there on the screen.
No. Did you not hear the explanation just happening?
That you had the coconut one,
Yeah, I had the coconut
And
one.
not the human one?
but I had the nut one.
Yeah,
But
because
then
they
what
can
if
switch
you
them.
prompted each other?
Wait. Uh-oh.
Wow.
Look at your
Okay, never mind.
device. You can now push the button and take us to the extraction room. But I would recommend you only do this once you're confident
Wow.
in your suspicion. Okay, next captain, you're in charge.
Gracie.
Oh, me. Okay.
Okay, you have to take Tyler. He hasn't
Yes,
been
please.
It
there
just
Okay.
for
hasn't
these
been
yet.
tested at all.
Yeah,
Maybe
Fruit
it's
Lord
alien.
can't
Okay.
getting hungry.
Foot Lord. Okay. Oh, Foot Lord. What does this hack thing mean?
Oh.
I'm so lost. Okay.
I think you know who an alien is now.
Yeah,
Hmm.
that I think that means Uh-oh.
In order to... Humans received the following prompt. The song I want played at my
Oh,
funeral
this is gonna be good.
The question is so funny. Okay.
Something odd?
Oh, Super
Okay.
Mario.
Two worlds. Which song is that?
It is definitely
Two
not
words.
Tyler.
Well,
It's
family.
absolutely not Tyler.
Oh, yeah. Super Mario Underground theme. It's
Super
funny, but
Mario,
it's so
oh my God.
appropriate.
Oh.
It's definitely not Food Lord. I will put that out there.
Are you sure?
We're on the clock here, people,
100%.
so let's keep it going.
Absolutely sure.
Oh, wait, Tyler, are you doubting what you said?
No,
Super Mario.
not at all. Who voted
What's with all
me?
the alarms?
Yo.
Oh, that's right, the
Yo.
aliens. The bioscanner is now
Hey, I'm finally the
online.
captain.
If the team you send there passes a test, you'll be able to analyze any player and find out if they're an alien. Okay,
Wow.
next captain, you're in
Ooh.
charge.
I mean, I can use that?
Okay.
Oh, BJU.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Okay. It has to be.
This is the bioscanner. Unfortunately, the virus has got this place pretty screwed up. Participants will see a
What the
set of
heck?
alien glyphs on their device. The captain will only see
Okay.
3 glyphs and must describe them out loud.
Oh.
When 3 glyphs are tapped, the captain can lock in. If the glyphs match, the test will pass.
Oh.
The captain
Wait,
will then
I'm
be able to
Wow,
learn
okay.
one player's secret identity. But watch out, aliens may
Oh.
fail by tapping the wrong glyph on purpose. Captain, I'm sending you the correct
Oh.
glyphs now.
So
my
there's like
God,
a
this is fun.
squiggle. We got it.
Okay.
Analysis is online.
Yay.
Oh man.
Because there was one that was
Choose
down
any
and
other
up.
player and you will learn their true identity. You may share this information, if you want, or keep it a secret. Tap confirm when you're ready to proceed.
Game.
Who are you, Val?
Relocating data.
Oh.
Ooh, this should be good.
Okay. It's game over. I know who they are.
Oh no, who is... Is it Val?
So Val's an alien. Absolutely an alien.
We're on the clock here, people, so let's keep
Okay,
going.
I'm pushing the button.
Funny.
Okay.
Well, then, next action. I've stopped the timer. It's costing me a lot of CPU, but I don't want you to feel rushed. Since you were the one to
Alright.
push the button, isolate the 2 crew members you believe are
Here
aliens
it
and
is. This is it.
Oh
now
gosh.
the non-isolated members shall
This
vote.
is it.
If you all vote yes, and these players are
I don't get what's
aliens,
the point
then
of the
the
last
humans
game
and
then.
Noah are safe. But if one of them is a human, then it's curtains for us all. Okay, time
Oh,
to
dear.
vote. The
Okay.
vote has to
Well-
be unanimous. If anyone...
Oh, okay.
The vote passed!
I mean, I guess. Oh.
Ah!
What are they?
Me.
Oh no! BJ, you the alien.
Nice.
Oh, good job.
You turned on
Ah,
me.
that's
But
cute.
you didn't
Okay, now I know. Now I know. Let's play again.
The dance
Okay.
moves. Dance moves.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
This is fun.
Cycle. Whiskey, Tango, Foxtrot.
Wait, Val, you sound like a.
It sounds
I
like
have
you're part of the
determined
game
that
An
now.
we
alien.
are secretly aliens. And here's what humans saw. I'm intimidated by new technology.
Oh,
And
okay.
this is how the
Hell
I
participants
know
responded.
exactly how you guys should be answering. Oh, ooh.
Do any of these answers seem
Oh,
suspicious?
that one's interesting.
Oh.
Val, you
Intimidated.
care to
Wait,
explain?
why?
Are you?
How are you not intimidated by new technology?
So I know for a fact Tyler's very intimidated.
I am. I'm terrified.
I'm not intimidated. I just get annoyed.
Vending
That's
machine
all.
coming to life.
It's different.
Yeah, that's true. That's fair.
I
We're
saw
on
the
the clock here,
invisible
people,
man.
so let's keep
and
Come on, guys.
it had new technology that had me stuck.
Okay, I'll take one off. I'll take one off.
One? Wait,
put
how
one
many
on
times
me.
did you
Everyone
vote
votes.
on
Everyone
aliens?
votes.
What the heck? I'm not the alien. I'm annoyed by new technology.
They're just saying it's
Freaking race.
suspicious.
I know you're. Oh my goodness. Sure, whatever.
Next captain.
We love you,
You're on the
Val.
clock.
The actual.
That was
The prompt
fast.
humans saw was...
It was a pretty easy prompt.
You're raising a super strong alien baby. The most important thing you can teach them is to always
Exactly.
do
If
anything
they're super
seems
strong, you don't want to
suspicious.
hurt
Aw,
people.
cute.
I love
I
that
don't
one of
know.
the answers was like to be sassy.
Yeah.
You're speaking
Can you
too
imagine?
much.
And
It's
that
like-
would
been
comes
me.
up to you and just
Be
like,
kind, be determined, and be sassy.
Sassy's the best.
Miss
Okay.
Sassy.
Hold on. Why is everyone voting me, huh? What's going on here?
I voted both.
I see.
Yeah, I've heard it both.
I always
Wow.
vote both, but I don't know who it is.
New
Oh.
captain
I'm looking
selected.
at
Ooh, let's do this
Oh,
one.
BJ, you.
Who hasn't been
Ooh.
tested?
Bacon.
Okay, Val, I'll give you another chance to
Ah,
show
Wow,
off
you
your
have
amazing
so
skills.
generous.
Drawing quarters.
So kind of you.
Draw a grandmother.
Oh.
That's why we were practicing.
Wait.
Success.
Val, that's so
They're
good.
both this.
Thank you. I
Okay,
think it's actually
definitely.
great. That doesn't look
Okay.
like a grandmother.
I
Hey,
love how
I
that
both
it
look like a
put into the
grandmother.
grandmother.
Oh,
That looks like me with glasses. Come on.
just
I
because Val's
tried.
drawing
Oh my
is
God.
amazing. I'm sorry, Grace.
yeah. Oh
You
my
don't
god.
have to vote though.
Oh yeah.
We're on the clock here, people, so let's keep it going.
That's my brother's grandma.
I thought the prompt was draw a ball with glasses.
Next captain.
Okay,
Alright,
see?
who
I'm
hasn't been
human.
tested?
Yes,
Come
A.
on.
Okay, yeah,
Let's go, hey.
Val's good. Val's good.
Alright.
Thank you. So generous. I mean, it's confusing. I still don't get that one. Wait, me
Wait.
again?
I want to do it. I want to do it. Put me
Okay.
in, coach.
Both BJs. There we
Oh,
go.
Alright, Val.
What?
This is the
Oh.
biosphere.
Wait,
I
wait,
hope
wait.
you've
I
chosen
still
a
don't
team
get
of
the
control.
Okay, so Val, I know you're human,
Captain, I'm sending
so
you
we're
the
trying to
correct
match.
glitch
She's
now.
gonna. Joanne's gonna tell us what she sees, and we're gonna try to match it. Okay, so here's the thing though.
The
If
test has
Joanne's
failed.
human, then we can find an alien. But if she's an alien, we have no chance of finding an alien right
Okay,
now.
that was suspicious.
Oh,
Maybe
no.
test
Oh, that's
humans
nice.
next time.
Oh,
Wait.
oh,
What?
who's the alien?
You guys,
Who's
you guys got it.
alien?
Oh,
I don't
wait,
get
the
it.
second
you
one.
didn't. Wait,
Oh.
no, wait.
Yeah, but there
Oh,
were two
I
guys
did make
with
the mistake of
arms.
saying
I'm so confused.
We're on the clock here, people, so let's keep it going.
Oh,
But it's not
um,
Val.
Yeah, I know it's
Maybe
not
it's
Val,
you.
but like it was just that image.
It did look tricky
Oh,
the
well.
way you were describing it.
Yeah, I
And
know.
then BJ was like, is it up?
I mean,
Is it down?
The guy
bro?
was falling over. I still don't get this game.
It's a good explanation though.
Wait, so does that mean...
We'll need to test other people.
Next captain,
Okay.
identified. Lucky you.
Oh, Val. Okay.
I...
I would recommend taking Grace and Joanne.
Grace.
Their
Val's
drawings.
been
Wait, hold on.
Val's been tested.
Oh my god, how am I gonna draw this?
Stop. Nobody believes in me. I'm
I
sorry.
believe in you.
Oh, yeah, sure.
What do you mean?
I ended up there 3
As soon as you
times.
drew the grandma, I was like, okay, yes, absolutely clear. No question.
Why I was on the belief question. I still don't get that one.
Let's have, oh my gosh, this is gonna be
Did I
awesome.
mention that if humans use all of their button pushes
Oh,
without success, you lose?
Why do I have to draw again?
Humans were given this prompt.
I'm excited.
Draw an endangered
Oh, what?
animal.
I just
Okay.
won.
Wait.
Do any of these seem stinky?
What is that?
I got Harrison.
What is this?
What is this?
Okay, they're holding aliens. How do I press the
I
button?
can't.
You have
Oh,
to
yeah.
hold it. You have to hold it. Ooh.
My prompt
Oh,
was
you have
swan.
to hold.
Welcome to the
No.
extraction room. Since
Oh.
you're the one
What do
to
you
push the
mean,
button,
no?
Oh my god, this is
you
so
can
fast.
isolate.
I was going
Since
for
this
it.
is our first time here, you have 2 minutes to decide.
Oh.
Now the
Oh, that was
non-isolated
Why am I
member
on-
shall vote.
Oh yeah, there's
Okay,
only 5
time
of
to
us.
vote. The vote has to be unanimous. If anyone votes no,
You big brain.
the
Got
vote
5
passed.
minutes.
Or is
It
it
was nice knowing you guys.
Big brain, Val. You did it.
Thank you.
Did you
Big
trick
brain.
me?
What? Wait,
Wait.
whoa, hang on.
No.
Yay!
That's Tyler.
I'm sorry, guys. I
Oh
love
no.
I'm sorry.
Yes, now
Trina,
fine.
you're dabbing on us. You're dabbing
I love
on
you guys.
us.
I'm so sorry.
Oh my goodness. I got outplayed.
Your move is basically a dab though.
I'm so
Oh my god,
sorry.
I'm tired of being an alien.
Alright, let's play something else.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
No.